Imagine being able to explore the very software that introduced millions of people to the world of programming in the earliest days of personal computing. Microsoft has just made this possible, and the implications are fascinating. Late last week, Microsoft made a surprising and significant move by releasing the complete source code of Microsoft BASIC for the 6502 processor, version 1.1, onto GitHub. This interpreter, dating back to 1978, was the engine behind the earliest personal computers, including iconic models like the Commodore PET, VIC-20, Commodore 64, and the Apple II. Now, the entire 6,955 lines of assembly code are freely available under the permissive MIT license, enabling anyone, whether a hobbyist, historian, or developer, to use, tweak, and share this foundational software without restriction. But here's where it gets controversial. Microsoft BASIC was not just any old software. It was the very first programming environment for millions during the late 1970s and early 1980s. Typing in simple commands and constructing basic programs provided everyday users with their first real chance to interact directly with a computer's inner workings. This release includes an updated version 1.1. The result of collaboration between Microsoft's Bill Gates and Commodore engineer John Feagans. Completed in 1978, this iteration boasted vital bug fixes and improved memory handling, later becoming known as BASIC V2 on Commodore machines. An intriguing backstory emerges when you consider the licensing deal behind it. In 1977, Commodore licensed this version of BASIC from Microsoft for a one-time fee of $25,000, a choice that secured unlimited use with no ongoing royalties. This deal helped millions of Commodore computers ship with Microsoft software, which proved both a windfall and a limitation. While Commodore benefited from the cost savings, Microsoft missed out on potential recurring revenue. This trade-off has sparked debate among industry experts and historians alike. And this is the part most people miss. Hidden within the code are playful Easter eggs attributed to Bill Gates himself. For example, executing the command wait 65021 on a Commodore PET triggers the screen to display the word Microsoft, a little signature left by the creators that has delighted enthusiasts for decades. The GitHub release even includes historically accurate commit timestamps backdated to July 27, 1978, long before the invention of Git or modern version control systems, a nod to preserving the authenticity and heritage of this software. By open sourcing this piece of computing history, Microsoft is not just preserving legacy code. It invites us to reflect on how far technology has come and to learn from the pioneers who shaped the digital age. Could unlocking access to such foundational software spark fresh ideas or debates about software ownership, innovation, and legacy in today's tech landscape? What do you think about Microsoft's decision to open the gates to this historic code? Would you explore it yourself, or do you see it as merely a nostalgic artifact? Join the conversation and share your views.